Hey, travel lovers. It's your global hotel hopping pal here, ready to whisk you away to paradise with a first-hand peek at what I'd argue is the most exclusive resort in the Maldives, Soneva Jani in the Nunu Atoll. I've stayed at countless luxe spots worldwide, but this one, it's next-level dreamy. Imagine overwater villas with slides into turquoise lagoons, eco-chic vibes, and a day so perfect you'll pinch yourself to check if it's real. Spoiler, it is. Here's how my 24 hours unfolded at this bucket list gem. Your ultimate guide to a Maldives escape that's worth every penny. Morning. Waking up in a water wonderland. I opened my eyes at 7:30 a.m. to the soft glow of sunrise spilling through my villa's retractable roof. Yep, you can sleep under the stars here. My one-bedroom water retreat at Soneva Jani was a stunner. Sprawling wooden decks, a private infinity pool, and that famous slide plunging straight into the lagoon. I couldn't resist. I grabbed my coffee, brewed from the in-room espresso machine, and took a barefoot stroll across the villa's glass floor, spotting baby reef sharks darting below. Breakfast was a floating feast, fresh fruit, pastries, and a coconut smoothie, delivered by my personal Mr. Friday, their version of a butler. I ate it poolside, toes dangling in the water, with nothing but the sound of waves. Bliss level, 100. Mid-morning, snorkeling and barefoot vibes. By 9:30 a.m., I was itching to explore, so I grabbed the complimentary snorkel gear and slipped into the lagoon right from my deck. The water was so clear it felt like swimming in a giant aquarium. Vibrant coral, schools of parrotfish, and even a curious turtle popped by to say hi. Soneva's no shoes, no news philosophy kicked in here. I ditched my flip-flops and let the island's laid-back magic take over. After drying off, I pedaled a bike, they're everywhere, through the lush jungle paths to the Gathering, the resort's social hub. The overwater cinema screen and ice cream parlor caught my eye. Mental note for later. Afternoon, gourmet lunch and spa serenity. Lunch at 1 p.m. was a game changer. I hit up Crab Shack, a toes-in-the-sand spot where I devoured the freshest crab curry I've ever tasted, paired with a chilled glass of rosé. The menu's all about sustainable seafood and organic goodies. Soneva's eco-cred is no joke. Post-feast, I booked a 2:30 p.m. slot at Soneva Seoul, their wellness haven. The overwater spa felt like a secret hideout, and my 60-minute massage with local coconut oil melted every ounce of stress away. I lingered in the steam room, gazing at the horizon, wondering how life could get this good. Evening, sunset cocktails and stargazing. As the sun dipped low around 6 p.m., I hopped on a private sunset cruise, champagne in hand, dolphins flipping in the distance. The sky turned a fiery orange, and I swear it was Instagram-worthy without a filter. Back on land, dinner at So Starstruck was unreal, an open-air observatory where I savored wood-fired pizza while an astronomer pointed out constellations through a telescope. By 9 p.m., I was back at my villa, lounging on the rooftop deck with a nightcap, the Milky Way sparkling above. No city lights, no noise, just pure Maldives magic. The verdict. Why Soneva Jani wins. This wasn't just a stay. It was a full-on sensory escape. The exclusivity comes from the seclusion. It's just you, the island, and maybe 50 other guests. The over-the-top villas, and the way every detail screams barefoot luxury. Sure, it's a splurge. Rates start around $2,500 a night, but for a once-in-a-lifetime vibe, it's worth it. I left at 10 a.m. the next day via seaplane, already plotting my return. So, ready to live your Maldives dream? Soneva Jani's calling? Trust me, you won't regret answering. Where's your next dream vacay spot? Let me know below. I'm always hunting for the next adventure.